Incentive stock options are taxed 2 times, once when you exercise and again when you sell those shares. ISOs are taxed under a system called the AMT, or Alternative Minimum Tax. AMT. It's a tax system that grows in parallel with your normal income taxes. Getting hit with the AMT can be a big surprise for a lot of people, because most will never encounter it. But exercising ISOs is a very unique situation and will likely trigger the AMT. Every year when you do your taxes, whether you know it or not, 2 calculations are being run. One is your regular income tax and one is the AMT. Whichever of those is higher is what you actually owe to the IRS. AMT won't be taken out of your paycheck like regular income tax. You'll be expected to self-report this to the IRS. Make sure you or your tax professional know what to expect. When you exercise incentive stock options, that increases the AMT calculation. It's possible to exercise just enough ISOs every year so that your AMT never goes higher than your income tax, which means you might be able to avoid AMT completely. That's a very good thing, and we can help you figure it out. And if you want to get a sense of the impact, check out our tax calculator. If you do end up paying AMT, there's a silver lining. Anything that you pay into AMT, you're gonna get back as a tax credit in the future. Running out of breath here.
Shake it out, Emmett.
The second time you'll be taxed is after you've exercised your ISOs and decide to sell your shares. When you eventually sell these shares, you'll be taxed on the difference between your original strike price and the price you sell at. As long as it's been 1 year since you exercised your options and 2 years since the options were granted to you, that tax is long-term capital gains. That's the scenario you want because long-term capital gains is going to be a lot better than the alternative. The alternative is income tax. If those 2 conditions aren't met, you'll be taxed at the higher income tax rates. Ouch. So if possible, you might want to consider exercising at least 1 year before you plan to sell the shares. If you need help understanding your ISOs, or you're looking for a way to finance the purchase of them, create a free account at secfi.com. Making a plan now can help you save thousands down the road. Get stock option education, financing, liquidity, and planning from SecFi.
Cue the logo. Say cue the logo.
Oh, cue the logo.